Hi there. Today we've got a musical merry-go-round Nativity Scene, which is no longer working. The switches doesn't seem to be doing anything, and the winder rotation it seems to be quite tight, so we don't want to be touching that too much. It's a lovely little nativity scene. It'd be a shame just to throw it out, so we'll have a look at see if we can prepare it. It's got a little magnetic thing here, so it goes round and round, and a little song with it as well. So we'll have a look to see if we can repair it. This is what it looks like from underneath. Little winder, a few screws that we might be able to remove, and as you can see, there's a bit of a magnetic piece there, and the switch just here. We'll take that away and attempt to remove these screws here. Probably just start with these ones that might pull the mechanism out. Okay, that's what that looks like. Quite a simple little mechanism. It's got a little piece that it does fit in exactly there. A little notch to fit that. So we'll have a look to see what's going on. Okay, it's spinning around now. No idea what we did differently. Maybe just got stuck. Just a bit of wood or something there. Not even sure how to turn it off now. Maybe it just holds that in there and it swings away and then comes in to touch it. I'll let that go down a bit. Okay, that's still going. Might have been over tightened a bit too. I'll wait till that stops. And then in here, see the mechanism seems to be quite tight. I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but I've got some silicone spray. And I'll put that in there, just put a dab in there. Might just free it up a bit. That may have just been half the problem because it just doesn't seem to go very well. A bit too much in there. I'll give that a wipe down. The mechanism now seems to be a lot better. Able to move. Let's try again. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Screws back in. Looks good. Okay, screws going back in. Once this is back together, we'll see if the magnetic part works. So yay, looks good. All right, I hope you enjoy that. And thanks for watching. Bye.